Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone back to our video tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to upload an attachment sent by the e-learning unit to create your course structure schedule. Some teachers have difficulties trying to create course content folders, are not too familiar with the system, and we are going to be starting classes shortly. So the e-learning unit has created a package that you can upload into your class and will automatically set this course structure for your section in Blackboard. Just to show you briefly, you're going to have a folder called Course Resource where you're allowed to put content items in throughout the semester. We also set up where you have Book 2, Book 3 if you're English 102. And if you're English 101, we're going to have the same setup which you will have for Book 1 and Book 2. Now we're going to show you how to upload it so that you have the same course structure in your Blackboard section if you choose to use it. So to upload the package and make your life easier, all you have to do is log in into your section in Blackboard, scroll down to on the left side where it says Packages and Utilities. Click here, and then there's an option here called Import Package, so go ahead and click on that. Alright, and here click on where it says Import Package. Ignore these because I've done some practice testing, but here let's go ahead and click on Import Package. The destination course ID will be your section. All you have to do is download the attachment that was sent to you by the e-learning unit, and then we're going to upload it. So here we have English 101 course schedule. So we're going to click on it. It's going to be a zip file. Click open, and there you go. You'll see English 101 course structure. If you're English 102, then select English 102 course structure. Okay. Scroll down. Just click on Select All. Alright. And then just click Submit. So you'll get a message saying that it is waiting. Now it's showing that it's complete. It's really quick. So let's go back to our class. And there you go. It's set up. English 101 course, Book 1 course material, Book 2 course material. So just click on it. For example, Book 1, Unit 1, and you have listening and speaking, reading and writing, all set up for you so you can easily upload content when you're ready to use the class. Alright, so let's say for example here you have the option also to change the settings by clicking on here at the arrow. So for example, I'm not going to be using Book 2 right now, so I'm going to make it unavailable for my students. It'll be grayed out, but they'll see these two courses or these two folders. If I want to enable it, just click on Make Available. As well as you have the option to edit these settings with the standard options for date and time restrictions, which we mentioned in the course design structure tutorial. Alright, so again, that's all you have to do and you'll be all set up. We are planning to also create another package where you don't have to create the writing portfolio assignments. We will be sending to you shortly with the writing portfolio assignments, the rubric built in, as well as the grading book all set up, so you don't have to create assignments, and it will be standard among all the teachers. So we look forward to having another tutorial, and we hope that this has been beneficial and makes your life easier. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.